Hey folks, it's Dr. Gerstmar from Aspire Natural Health, and in this quick video we're going to talk about an often overlooked factor that could be causing your digestive issues. Now, whether you're just now exploring options for digestive problems or you've tried many different things to heal your gut, there's one cause that people often forget about, and that's prescription drugs. Now, I just want to make it clear that I am not anti-prescription drugs. I think they're powerful tools that have their place in helping people survive and even thrive. But we do want to be mindful about how we use them and aware of their side effects too. And there are a lot of causes of digestive dysfunction here, okay? So from things like messed up gut bacteria to problematic foods and more. So it is not always the fault of prescription drugs, but it certainly can be. And we're not even focusing here on the two most common prescription drugs that trash people's gut health, and those are antibiotics and antacid medications. I've talked extensively about both of those before, so feel free to browse through those videos on those topics to learn more. Today, we're talking about other prescription medications that can mess up people's guts. Now, one obvious one that people routinely overlook are painkillers. Now, this ranges from the more powerful painkillers like morphine, Vicodin, and others, to over-the-counter painkillers like aspirin and ibuprofen. All of these can mess up the gut. Again, please, I'm not saying don't take pain medication if you really need it. But if you are battling a messed up gut and are routinely using these medications, this could be a reason why. And, okay, there are more medications that can cause problems beyond just painkillers, unfortunately. For some people, antidepressant medications can really mess up their guts too. Your gut has more serotonin, the brain chemical, in it than your brain actually does. So for some people, using an antidepressant can cause a lot of gut or digestive issues. A number of the more serious immune suppressing drugs like methotrexate or azathioprine, as well as the antibiotic neomycin and others, all have been shown to have the potential to damage the gut. And recently, a wonderful person that we're working with brought to my attention that the blood pressure lowering drug olmesartan has the potential to damage the gut as badly as active celiac disease. Yikes, that is not good. Now, while some of these medications that we just mentioned are uncommon, olmesartan is a fairly common blood pressure medication. It's also known as Benicar here in the States, and quite a few people are taking it. Now, this is one I hadn't known about before, and now you do too. So now you know there are quite a few medications, some of them that are very common out there, that can screw up your gut. This does not mean you shouldn't take them, but to make sure that they really are the right tools for the job. Of course, I suggest you avoid taking antibiotics when possible. Now again, please, if you need them, take them. But we see many cases of people taking antibiotics when they really don't need them. And we've seen people's guts be really messed up by even a single course of antibiotics. And many people who come to see us have a history of many rounds of antibiotics taken over the years as we see their symptoms growing worse and worse. Painkillers are another medicine that need to be used appropriately, especially here the over-the-counter painkillers like aspirin, ibuprofen, and acetaminophen. Just because you can buy them in a grocery store does not mean they are harmless, and regular use of these medicines could be the cause of your gut problems. Antacids we've talked about many times before, and you're welcome. Go back and watch those videos to learn more about them. The big surprise here for me was the blood pressure medication olmesartan, or Benicar. If your gut problems developed after you started taking this medication, I'd suggest you talk to your doctor about switching to a different blood pressure medication or seeing a holistic doctor who might be able to get you off that medication altogether. So there you have it. Okay? Now, if you're looking to heal your gut and you'd like to know more about the underlying causes of gut dysfunction, we've just talked about one possibility here, the often overlooked prescription medications, but there are many others. I'd like to offer you our quick guide to comprehensive gut healing that we use to treat people's guts here at Aspire Natural Health. Now, there are two easy ways you can get it. The first is to simply click the button below and fill out the very short form, and we will happily send that to you you for free. The second, if you happen to be watching or listening with your cell phone or it's within arm's reach, all you need to do is text the word gut healing, so smash it together as one word, gut healing, to 425-651-6851. That's the word gut healing, all one word, to 425-651-6851. And again, we will happily send that to you for free. So please either click down below or text us and we'll get a copy of that expert report over to you right away. At Aspire Natural Health, we are experts at helping people with digestive issues and autoimmune diseases. If that's you or a loved one who's suffering, we'd love to connect. We'd like to offer you a chance to have a chat with us where the focus is all about you. We'll learn a little bit more about what's going on for you and see if we are the best choice to help you and if we're the right fit to work together. If we are, we'll talk about moving forward. If we're not, we will do our best to connect you with the person that we feel can best help you. The only thing you have to lose by chatting with us is being unsure what the best next step for you is. You'll leave our chat feeling calm and confident and knowing what you need to do to get help. So please call us now at 425-202-7849 or email us at info@aspirenaturalhealth.com. All right, folks, until next time, take care.